Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll explore how to use Grammarly effectively to enhance your writing skills. Whether you're a student, a professional, or someone who simply loves to write, Grammarly can be an invaluable tool in your writing arsenal. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of utilizing this powerful application. Step 1. Create your Grammarly account. First, visit the Grammarly website and sign up for an account. You can choose between a free version and a premium subscription. The free version offers basic writing suggestions, while the premium version provides advanced features like style recommendations and plagiarism checks. Once you've created your account, you can access Grammarly from your web browser or download the desktop application. Step 2. Install Grammarly. If you want to maximize your writing assistance, consider installing the Grammarly browser extension. This allows Grammarly to work seamlessly with various online platforms, including Google Docs, email clients, and social media. Additionally, you can integrate Grammarly into your Microsoft Word application for offline writing assistance. Step 3. Start a new document. Once you're set up, start a new document in Grammarly or upload an existing one. Grammarly will automatically scan your text for grammatical errors, punctuation mistakes, and stylistic recommendations. Step 4. Review suggestions. As Grammarly analyzes your writing, it will highlight errors in real time. Click on each suggestion to understand the nature of the mistake and see Grammarly's recommendations. Pay attention to not just what needs to be corrected, but also the reasoning behind it. This will help you learn from your mistakes and improve your writing skills over time. Step 5. Explore the Goals feature. Grammarly offers a unique feature called Goals that allows you to customize your writing experience. Set your audience, the formality level, and the intent of your writing. This helps Grammarly provide tailored suggestions that match your writing style and purpose. Step 6. Use the plagiarism checker, premium users only. If you're a premium user, take advantage of the plagiarism checker. This tool scans your text against billions of web pages to ensure that your content is original and properly cited. It's especially useful for academic writing or publishing. Step 7. Enhance your vocabulary with Tone Detector. Another helpful feature is the Tone Detector, which analyzes your writing to assess the tone. This can help you ensure that your message is conveyed in the appropriate manner. Whether you want to sound more formal, friendly, or persuasive, adjusting your word choice and sentence structure based on the feedback will enhance your writing style. Step 8. Use the performance stats. After completing your document, Grammarly will provide you with performance stats, showing your strengths and weaknesses. This feedback is crucial for tracking your progress as a writer. Take note of areas where you excel and those that need improvement. Step 9. Review and implement changes. Now that you've gone through the suggestions and learned from them, it's time to make the changes. Edit your text according to Grammarly's recommendations and ensure that your writing flows smoothly. Always review your final draft for coherence and clarity. By following these steps, you can effectively use Grammarly to improve your writing skills, making your work more polished and professional. Remember, the key to better writing is practice, so continue to use Grammarly as a supportive tool on your writing journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more writing tips and tricks.